Yo. Oh, I forgot
Resident
this.
Evil 4,
Hold on.
baby.
Oh, we forgot the fucking intro. Okay, well,
Oh, we didn't do an intro.
look, guys. We're playing Resident Evil 4, the demo, right? But we are gonna play
have it.
Resident Evil 2 before the actual game comes out. We were gonna play the original Resident Evil 4 before the new one came out, but we don't have time for that because that game's really fucking long. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play Resident Evil 2 Remake, and then we're gonna play Resident Evil 4 when it comes out. And after we beat Resident Evil 4 Remake, we're gonna play the original. That's the plan for the channel right now.
Pretty much,
Okay.
yeah.
Let's start this demo, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, what's... Okay. Fuck it, let's do it.
New game, baby. Press it.
Oh! Okay. I was not paying attention. I was like...
Capcom presents. Yeah,
Come on.
not too many shit, bro.
The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon
Oh my
City
God.
was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others. And so lucky.
That white was good.
I was asked.
That's the White House.
A government program.
Oh my
Oh,
God,
bro,
Ralph, they're
dripped
fucking
out,
showing
bro.
it, yo!
The training.
Ripped out, bro.
Punishing missions.
Oh, they're showing him actually training! What?
At least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain.
Oh, shit!
Even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Bro, that's my boy Leon, bro.
The things I'll say we will record.
Oh my God!
Go,
Look
G.
at him! Bro. Okay. Oh my God. Guys, need to make this special because, first video of the channel, but I am a really big Resident Evil fan. I adore the series. It's one of my favorite video game franchises. I played the 2 remake like a zillion times. Once with Ralph before, actually, but that was like a couple months ago. Oh, I forgot we could crouch. How do we do that? Oh my
Press the
God!
crouch button.
Oh, dude. Let me get some of that. My fault.
No, you good. Yeah,
Alright,
I'm
which
more of
one
a Nickelodeon kart racer kind of guy in the arcade machine and Chuck E. Cheese. But Resident Evil's really cool too.
Can't wait to play the original because, like, oh my God.
You nasty ass bastard.
Jesus, these graphics look crazy.
I know, very different from what I remember.
Yes. The original was, like, brighter.
Oh no, yeah, it was so brighter and more yellow.
Yo! We're really here. Oh my God. Open the door, Leon.
Yeah, open the door. Look how fast it stays like that too. Oh my God.
I know. Let's explore this room. We got
Look at all that wood.
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 Leon pissed off to see wood.
Yeah, not the type of morning wood he.
Oh, honey. Alright,
Yeah,
hold on.
those dogs don't shut up in the background, bro. I swear to God.
That's what I'm saying. Wait, I don't want to go there yet. I want to see those.
Yeah, look at that door. Look at. That's honestly how my crib looks like.
That's literally my living conditions.
Just imagine that with like.
Oh. It looks like a dildo. I love that video so much. Oh, I didn't read that.
Freaky Friday.
No, I was saying, have you ever seen the video of that guy? It's really old. He's like reviewing, I think it's the Wii or something, and he's like saying the controls like they look like a dildo. It was really.
Oh yeah, it looks like a dildo.
It's one of my favorite videos of all time, yo. It's so funny. Alright. Oh, we can't
You
open
need a
it.
key.
I do need a key. Hello?
Is anybody there? I think so.
House. Oh shit! Fucking tweakers! What is he doing?
Tweakers at Oklahoma.
That's a fucking Oklahoma tweaker, bro.
If they got blue eyes, they definitely from Michigan.
Is this how the cops walk into Chris Chan's house?
Yeah, pretty much. I could imagine him just like having that same
This
like
is
attire
crazy.
with like the Sonic 2 chain.
This feels like I know, Ralph, you haven't played the original Resident Evil, but this deadass feels like if they made a movie of that game. It's so good. Oh snap!
Hey, watch out, boy! Oh,
He's using the sharpening that knife too. Damn. Damn.
Bro. But that bro got that leg power though.
You do got that leg power. Oh shit.
That thigh power.
God damn. By the way, guys, I look just like him. Flash a picture of me on screen.
Oh
yeah,
see a little,
that is me.
No, really, Mito, that's just he was Leon. Crazy.
Yeah, he's literally just Leon. Like I look just buff like that too. I'm skinny.
No,
you know what? Just for the fucks of it, just for flash a picture of Ralph on screen. There you go. That's Ralph right there.
Like
Yep.
there, like rip right out of the game, like the model.
Yep,
just you.
that is Ralph. Yep. All right, let's go. Okay, we can go open that door now. It looks like a dildo. Let's see this.
It look like a dildo.
We picked that up already. Get me out of here. Alright.
Get out of here.
So hype, bro. I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And you got this shit pre-ordered too? Can't wait,
Yes,
bro.
sir. At least we ain't walking over dead babies like an Outlast.
Don't talk about that last.
That was crazy.
That game had us on the edge of our seat. We couldn't finish.
Fucking rat.
Ugly ass rat. Yeah, I was gonna say it. We couldn't finish that game, bro. Couldn't. I remember when we were trying to hide in the closet, and then we thought I bro jump into the window. We just had to get off.
They don't know what we're talking about. Basically, like we were playing Resident Outlast 2 just up by ourselves, and it was really scary because I was playing and I couldn't even progress. I really couldn't. I couldn't walk around. That's
yeah, that game is some mode.
Oh, they killed him differently in there. Oh shit. That came through my controller. That was awesome.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. No, they did that differently in the original. They literally just burned both of them.
God,
That is okay.
Nah, I think he just need a the reboot card. Cause you know Leon gonna be on Fortnite soon.
I think I saw in the trailer that they come inside the house. You have to like sneak around. What?
No fucking way.
Oh, what the
shit!
Fuck? Get his ass!
Ah!
He's tweaking, bro. He's tweaking.
Oh, my aim sucks dick.
Nah, it's been a while, so.
Oh, son of a bitch. My name. I know it's not the same for you, but when you stab him, I hear the stabbing noise from my controller, so it's very weird. Yeah, just hear gushing and fluking and bushing and
gushing and mooshing and gushing and moosh. Oh, hey.
I knew it. See, I fucking saw the trailer. I knew they were gonna come in that fucking house. Let me sneak. Can I sneak through?
That bro bugging.
That bro is tweaking.
Only at Oklahoma.
Michigan.
Oh, Michigan, the tweakers in Michigan is something else, bro. Next level.
Yeah. We only know one good person for Michigan.
Like, basically, Resident Evil Biohazard, but it's basically Michigan, bro.
Yes. Jeez.
Bruce. This has gone to
That bro found with Chris Chan's Sonic 2 drawings.
I remember seeing someone was really, really pissed off that they changed how she looks.
Really?
I think it was either how she looks or how she sounds. They were like, "Yeah, that's not her." I was like,
Like, really?
He was Tyrone Magnus. I actually didn't like it.
Of course it was Tyrone
It was
Magnus,
she was like,
bro.
nah, my Hunnigan. I'm like, oh, okay. Oh my
Nah,
fuck.
of course it was him, bro. Out of
Tyrone
anybody, of
Magnus
course it
always
was
hates
him,
on shit
bro.
like that. It's fucking hilarious.
I will never
Oh,
forget. I will never forget the thumbnail and the title. So Venom gay now, and that bro
he
looking
jumped through the
so
window.
pissed, bro.
Dude, he hates it when they do anything gay in a movie.
That's like, bro, if you're homophobic, just say it, bro.
I remember saying, I don't think he's homophobic, but it's just weird because like, I remember he was watching a clip from Batman and the newest one, and I don't know if you remember the scene where he's talking to Commissioner Gordon, and they were like, okay, you have to punch me in the face to distract him so you can run away, but they were talking really close together, and he was like, I like the scene, but you know, it was a little too homo for me. I was like, what the? What are you talking about? It was so funny. Look at that. Got some more gun. We got gun ammo.
Got some more gun.
Got some more gun. What is this gunpowder? Sick ass. Okay. I wonder how long this demo is. Oh, we can't save.
Damn.
Okay. This way. Oh, we're at the village, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Oh shit, they killed the dog now. Look, see?
No.
Last time you could save that motherfucker, but no.
Yeah, no.
I think it's because they also took out. I don't know. I haven't been looking like into Resident Evil 4 all that much. Because like, I don't want to be like, I don't want to know everything, right? But I'm pretty sure that they took out a boss that was the giant troll, and the dog usually helps us in that one.
Oh yeah. I'm just I knew about the whole they took out the dog. I was like, oh, that damn.
Yeah, it was a sad reveal.
Couldn't save doggy no more. Hey.
That's cool. Fucking shit, bitch.
Damn.
Imagine if they kept in the laser pointer, like in the original. The laser pointer aimed. Oh, son of a fuck. Can I kick him? Oh. Ooh! Use. I want to kick him. Motherfucker. Oh!
You parry that
That's
shit.
awesome! I know how to parry. That's how they do it down in the streets of Chicago.
What is bro doing?
Stop tweaking,
bro. He's tweaking.
That bro was what the fuck
Oh
was
my god.
that? He's getting the
God.
best fucking head of his life.
From Leo.
I wish that was me, bro. Oh, seriously?
I know, yeah, I didn't.
I know they had that in the originals. They didn't introduce that here. Oh, they did. I'm fucking retarded, though. No, guys.
I forgot about that, bro. I forgot about that, dude.
Use a knife.
Oh.
We're not wasting ammo.
I already know what's coming. I already know what's coming up, bro.
Yeah, we're not wasting ammo here. Give me that.
Yeah, we're gonna need that for the next segment, bro.
That's the pink, yeah, we are gonna need that for the next. Okay, how do I open inventory again? Yes.
I don't remember anything because I saw the trailer, but that bro looked terrifying, and I'm not ready to.
Yeah, they changed his design a lot. Every time I see him, it's kind of like his design kind of gets worse though. Because in Resident Evil 5, they made him like, I don't know how, but they just made him not scary. And he was in the newest TV show, which, by the way, the newest TV show is kind of shit. It was shit, but it was like... But they did have him there as a cameo, and he just... he wasn't that good. Oh, my fuck. They did burn him!
Oh, no, they're burning him right now! Hey!
Holy fuck. Holy shit, that's not how that was.
That's how That's when you wear fireproof police outfits, bro.
I know someone who would love to see that. Look at this dog.
We're good. Green herb. Green dog. Oh.
She don't see me.
Ooh, no.
She do see me. Okay, well, I'm a stop opening it. Combine that shit. Oh, that's examine. I can't see. How do I?
Craft, I think.
What? That is so weird. I'm used to combining it.
No, I know.
Such a dumbass stuff.
Oh, brother! Oh, really?
Oh! Oh! They had the
Oh, the
chicken in the... Oh my fucking god!
Alright, no.
Hold on, no,
Oh, no,
this is
he's going
actually
for it.
scary. Stop playing. This is
Hey,
actually
chill,
scarier than the last
remember, we
one.
couldn't save. Remember, we couldn't save. Chill.
Oh my god. Hold on, no, stop playing. This is actually fucking terrifying.
Alright, chill. They can't kill you. I
How
remember.
can I kick?
Well,
I want to kick.
I remember we been chilling. That chainsaw food coming out of nowhere, just cut his real head off. Like, bro, chill.
You know, he comes out of like, if you go over there. Oh my fucking god.
So I think there's a bird trap nearby.
Yeah, I know. The bro shaking.
That bro Luigi, bro.
I
Chill.
was shaking that shit, yo. I want Leon to do the thug shaker. Fucking grandma.
Bro, Leon doing the Doug shaker.
I actually cream
We could
fucking
actually
thing.
do that when he comes to Fortnite soon. So
I'd actually cream myself if he did that. Let me shoot him in his balls.
yeah, Leon should do the Doug shaker, bro.
Okay, I wanna go see Dr. Salvador. I wanna go say hi to him. Doctor. Where is he? Oh wait, stop playing. Where is he? Oh fucking fucker. Alright. Time to use the
The mixer.
what's that? Okay. Oh, let me get that.
Also, cheeseburger.
Oh fuck. Oh god damn. There he is. Oh my god.
Ugly as eyes, bro.
Fuck that. I was reloading.
Oh my god.
Move. Everyone out the fucking way.
Oh my god.
Out the way. I'm not playing with that. Out the way. Oh! Don't tell me he's coming. I'm coming. Okay, how do I reload? The square? Yep. Yep.
Oh my god. He's over
Holy
there.
fuck, he's running! Break free! Ah!
Oh, fuck off, bro.
I need that.
Gargamel, bro.
I need that. Oh, get me out of here! Get me out of here!
No.
Oh shit!
What? Oh,
What's
Oh
he
my
doing,
God.
yo? Oh, he's barricaded in here with me. Ah!
I don't think he's chainsaw, man.
He's the OG Chainsaw Man, bro.
I know.
Leave me alone. Do not touch me. All of you, do not touch me. Do not touch me. He ran after me. What the fuck? Why is
That
he
bro is on fire. That bro is on fire.
Move out the fucking way, guys. Okay, we're gonna go inside the house. I went in a circle. Move.
Yeah, that's the worst idea, bro. That was the worst idea, bro.
Why was he
Oh my
in
God.
there? Why was he in there? Come on, man.
That was like one slip, bro.
Move.
From dying.
Move. Stop hitting me, please, man.
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna use this. Fuck that chicken.
Stupid
Go,
ass chicken.
go.
Stupid fella.
We're safe up here. What is that? What the hell? Oh, you gotta be... Bro. Bro. How can I kick?
Get the chickens and eat them, bro.
Oh.
Oh. You're so fucking lucky.
Are they gonna
There
do
is-
the dad joke that Leon says?
Let's find out.
I hope they do that dad joke that Leon says. Please.
No, I'm just saying, bro. You had two different counters right there, bro.
I almost died, yeah. So weird. We are Sonic fans.
We are Sonic fans 2023.
2023. Stay the fuck out.
You fucking hit me.
Cool. Please do the joke.
Where's everyone
Please.
going? Bingo?
Yes, dude, they did it.
Yes, sir.
Oh my god.
Yes, sir.
This game's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be crazy, bro.
Oh, dude. That was dope. Thank you.
You
Oh my
almost-
god.
I'm just saying, bro. It was two close encounters right there, bro.
Dude, I didn't even know he was gonna be in the fucking house. Why was he in the house? He was just chilling? Dude, that game is gonna be crazy. Alright, guys, we're gonna end it there because, like, what else are we gonna do? But, stay tuned because we're gonna play Resident Evil 2, which is a pretty short game, relatively. And then we're gonna play 2 more Resident Evil games on the channel, so, yeah, be on the lookout, yo. Alright, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day, bro.
That looks like a dildo.